Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make an origami crab easily. First, take a square sheet of paper, ideally 6 inches by 6 inches, for the best results. Begin by folding it diagonally in both directions, creating clear creases that will guide your subsequent folds. Then, bring 2 opposite corners towards the center point, forming what's known as a preliminary base. This foundational step is crucial for the crab's structure and ensures all subsequent folds. Now that you have your preliminary base, let's start shaping the crab's body. Take the top layer of the base and fold it downwards, creating a distinct triangle. This will be 1/2 of our crab's shell. Next, repeat this exact fold on the opposite side, ensuring both sides are symmetrical. Finally, carefully open up the top layer and flatten it out, transforming it into a neat diamond shape. This step is vital for establishing the main structure of your origami. Now head back to the main account center screen and select the option labeled Sharing Across Profiles. From there, choose your Instagram profile. You will then see a toggle switch to share your Instagram story to Facebook. Make sure this option is turned on. You can also enable sharing for your Instagram posts here. You're almost there. For the finishing touches, gently curve the back of your origami crab. This subtle bend will give it a more natural, rounded appearance, mimicking a real crab's shell. Take a moment to adjust the legs and claws, ensuring they are symmetrical and stand firmly. With these final adjustments, your easy origami crab is now complete. It's a wonderful piece of paper art, perfect for decorating your space or gifting to a friend.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.